Okay, girls, can you read the two given?
Given the midpoint of segment A.
And the second given is what?
B is the midpoint of segment DC.
Okay, so again, we're going to prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle EBC. What we're going to do, step 1, put a markings na agad. Okay, so the first given is B is the midpoint of segment AB. Again, what is the meaning of midpoint? Naghahati saan? Hinati sa ilan? Very good. When we say midpoint, it is a point that divide the segment in how many segment? Into two congruent parts. Do you understand? So therefore, if point B is the midpoint of segment AE, so we can say that segment A is divided into 2. O what are those? Lagrimas. Segment AB and segment BB. They are congruent. O another, second given. Si point B pa rin. Point B is the midpoint of segment DC. So ibig sabihin, si segment DC ay dinivide ulit sa ilan? O ano po yung dalawang yon? Igmilan.
Segment BB is congruent
To segment
CB.
CB. O ito po yon. Do you understand? May next given pa ba? Kung wala na, proceed na tayo sa statement and reason. O what do you think is the first statement? Espinosa.
Is the midpoint of segment A.
Okay, very good. B is the midpoint of segment AE. And what is the reason? Given. Okay, question. Next, what do you think is the statement number 2? What we're going to do? Okay, we need to prove statement number 1. O how to prove? I-state mo anak, sino yung naging congruent? O para ma-prove natin. Anyone? O Buriel?
Segment AB is congruent and segment
Very good. Segment AB is congruent to segment EB. Again, ano yung mathematical term na ginamit? And therefore, Buriel, what is the reason? Definition of midpoint. So, since they are already congruent, identify what part is this? Side. Next tayo. Let us observe muna anak. Observe the illustration. What can you say about the two triangles? They are congruent because they have a common angle or common parts. And that is angle B. Name angle B using 3 letters. Prado.
Angle AB.
Okay, very good. Angle ABD is congruent to angle EBC. What do you think is the reason? Espinosa, vertical angle theorem. Now, lalagyan na natin sa anak ng markings. Next tayo, what do you think is the statement number 4? Lagrimas. And what is the reason, anak? Given. By the way, what part is this? Angle. Bakit natin tinuha? Kasi they are already congruent. Okay, the reason is given. And what is the next statement? Sa video, tama.
Segment AB is congruent to segment C.
And what is the reason, anak?
Definition of
Very good. Definition of midpoint. Congruent po ba?
Yes.
Therefore, what part? Side. May postulate na ba? What postulate? Sige, Jimenez, what is your answer for the last statement?
triangle ABD is congruent to triangle AB.
EB,
EB.
using the SAS postulate. Any question?